Morning everyone, Joe here, also known as Simple Man. Today we are installing the SIGZ black label. Now we're going to remove the bulb. So judging by that, we will go this way. And there we go, half a turn. Turn that. Got that in place. And now we're going to, I want to put the slot. Simply put that in place and snap on the new cover. We're going to repeat that for the other 3 turn signals. And now all 4 of them are on, and we will test them. As you can see, these go amber on, amber on. And those go bright, dim, bright, dim. And this is what it looks like at night with the before and after. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content. With that, I'm out. Stay safe and keep it simple.